Hey guys, welcome to Again Craft. This week I'm painting and decorating again, and I think you're already bored of that, but I wanted to share a funny story with you because this was this was quite an experience I just had. So basically this morning I turned up on site and I brought all my tools, and when you do painting and decorating you mainly have a roller with you and a tray to keep your paint in, right? And for your roller, you usually bring a mesh, a plastic mesh insert for your tray so you can actually roll off the excess paint from your roller. I think you know what I'm talking about. I don't know how it's called. It's just the thing, you know? And I realized that I don't have it with me, and I did not bring any way to get rid of the excess paint from my roller. And I was like, fuck, this is gonna be a nightmare. So I went down the street to the first ma and pa shop, right? And I tell the guy, like, and the guy is Greek, so I try to explain him what my situation is and what I need help with. So like, I need a wire fence piece of mesh or something, you know, something in that regard, because I need to like get rid of the excess paint from my roller. And he goes, I think I have the thing for you. I'm like, what are you talking about? He goes, you know that barbecue tray you put your meat on and you close it and you can flip your meat? Welcome to Again Craft After Dark. So you can flip your meat with that thing. And I'm like, yeah, I know. So he was like, you know what, let me get you one. And he got me one. And it works. Observe. I have my roller, and this is a barbecue mesh thing, so it's basically two wire meshes where you put your meat in between that, and when you're barbecuing, you can easily just flip it. And guys, it fits my tray, and it makes my life wonderful. So this is what you do. You just roll your excess paint off and you can apply it to the wall so you don't drip everywhere. Of course, I drip everywhere nonetheless, but I can use it with my favorite tray, and I don't think I need to get a new one every so often because it's a steel wire mesh. So I think I got myself a lifetime tool for like 15 euros. Which is awesome. I also wanted to show you the view I need to deal with these days. And I found a very sick stray cat and I'm giving him some food so that he can survive another day. I found some food in the kitchen of the client, so let's hope this little fella is gonna make it to another day. Anyway, so yeah, this is the view. I know, sucks ass. Ew, look at those clouds. Awful. And that ship. Ew, it has a sail on it. I know. So anyway, that's the view. It is really hard to work when you have a view like that. You know, I'm rolling the wall like, and I look at the window like, and I'm like going all over the place. Anyway, I've been working on an epoxy flower video for the last few days, and I fucked up the first one, so I'm not gonna publish that one. But I started shooting another one yesterday, which kind of looks good, and I will demold it tonight and edit down the video and upload it. So finally, we're gonna have some epoxy stuff on the channel. So thank you very much for bearing with me for this long. This is just an update, you know. I just wanted to check in because I haven't talked to you guys in a while, and we are going back to doing at least 2-3 epoxy projects a week because this is nonsense. I'm working too much, and I need to unwind a little bit. So from starting next Monday, every week I'm going to get in the workshop and do something just for fun. And I really want you guys to join me on these adventures. Anyway, that's it for this video. It's just a quick check-in. I love you guys a bunch, and yeah, if you want, yeah, just, you know how it is. Stay tuned. The video is coming soon. And if you have the time on Sunday, come by the live stream, grab yourself a drink, and just hang out with us and showcase your projects. And let's just talk about art and creation in general. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.